Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get your Anthropic Claude API key. Alright, let's begin. First, go to console.anthropic.com. Even if you already have a Claude account, you'll need to create a developer account separately. Once you're on the site, click Continue with Google and sign in with your Google account. Next, you'll go through a quick onboarding process where you'll enter your name and a few basic details. When prompted, select whether you're signing up as an individual or an organization. For most people, choosing individual works best. After completing sign-up, you'll be taken to the Anthropic Developer Console. Click Get API Keys. Before creating a key, you'll be asked to buy credits. Enter your payment method, choose an amount, starting from $5 is fine, and complete the purchase. Once payment is done, your API key will be shown. Copy it right away as it won't appear again. So that's basically how you can get your Anthropic Claude API key. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.